Alright, about to take on this task of prepping the slide. We just inherited it and we are about to prep it, and we're going to go ahead and put down the slide coat. So we're going to start with prep wise, one step, Smart Seal as our prep, and we're going to use slide coat part A and part B here to make the slippery smooth glossy finish. These are all the things that I'm using. I'm going to clean this bucket out, and it says on here use 4 parts to 1. Make sure you always wear your gloves. I've got me my P95 mask that I'm going to wear because this stuff does not need to be inhaled. And then I'll mix these 50-50 inside of one of these with a plastic insert, and then I'll apply it with one of my brushes when we get there. First we got to prep it. Alright, here we go. Alright, part 2 is instead of unbolting everything, which took me forever to get in the concrete, I got my little contraption here, because all you need to do is just keep the chemicals out of the pool, even though it probably would be harmless at the points per million in there, but I want to keep them out anyways. So hook one of my bins, that'll just pull the water back in, no issues. Alright, for step 1, we have bare fiberglass. We're going to do 4 gallons of water to 1 gallon of prep wise, so 4 to 1 is the mix. I'm going to use this to measure. I'm going to put 4 to 1 in here, and then I'm going to wash it with this onto my slide. Always wearing my gloves, and I have my mask on. Alright, I'm going to mix slide coat, clear base component part A and part B. I decided I'm going to use a roller, and in areas that I can't roll, I'll use my sponge brush or regular brush. I've just completed using the prep a little while ago, let it dry. That turned out pretty good, wearing my mask and gloves. We got it mixed up. Roll it on there and apply it. Alright, I've just finished rolling it. Make sure you close the lids as soon as you pour it. I only needed half, so half and half, and you can see I still have plenty left. Did this entire slide easily. So all I did was, roll it with the roller here. It goes on real easy, and then go over the top, and then the same thing on the back, roll it on the back. It's very smooth. Just make sure you don't have any drips, so you can go back over it. It becomes tacky after about 15 minutes or so. The back of the package says you got about a 30-minute application time, which is plenty of time to do the whole slide. Right now it's still drying. It's going to dry to a clear, like resin smooth. So you can see, you can easily get up top here, see how it's drying. Alright, here are the products that I used. Smart Seal, prep wise, 1 step, 4 parts to 1, 1 part prep wise, 4 parts water. Then wash it like you'd wash your car. And then I dried it with a towel, which I'm going to throw away when I'm done, and waited about an hour, and then I went and mixed slide coat. This is base A, 9300, and slide coat catalyst, 9301. I mixed half and half of each one of those coats, because it's part 1 to part 1. Mixed them inside of here, shook them up, then mixed them together in here, and you'll see I have plenty left, and I did the entire slide with that. I used a 8-inch roller right here for the applicator. Make sure you use gloves and absolutely wear your mask because this stuff is really toxic. I did not need to use any of the brushes. I was able to use my glove to go around right here, right underneath. I could use my glove to go around there. All right, enjoy.